Hello everybody, my name is Alex Schiller and it's a little bit of a different setup today because it's an unboxing. You can't really see that's a box. So I ordered a new lens from Canon. You knew that already by the title of this video. It's a Canon 35mm macro 2.8 image stabilized ISMTB, whatever they call it. There's also a lens filter in here. I just wanted to do an unboxing video because I keep watching them because they're one of my little interests is unboxing. So I want to do it. I want to see if I can get like a decent unboxing vibe going on, and I don't know, do it. That's really all. What is this? Save the tax. B&H, I don't care. There's this, which is the main thing, and there's the Tiffin. We love the Tiffin. They're cheap lens filters. Ooh, look, also my bill. Don't want that. So this is what we're unboxing today. Here's the actual what it looks like. There you go. Let's just get right into it. Why not? All right. Oh, see, okay. So this is one of the reasons that I bought the lens. Because I wanted to get into macro functionality. This is paperwork. No, why does anybody ship paperwork anymore? Like, you have all your user manuals online. So one of the main reasons that I wanted to get this lens was because it's a macro lens, because I wanted to get a little bit into macro photography, because I'm like that niche kind of person that likes to do like super water drops on blades of grass. But also because it acts as a normal 35 in most other cases anyway. And so I wanted to get this beautiful lens. Wow, it is exactly the size I expected it to be. And so it's really nice. I love it. Look at that. I'll do some B-roll of it so it looks nicer as I unbox it. But that's it. It's got the light on the front here, so like you can turn on the light. You can't do it now because it's not connected to the camera, and I can't connect it to a camera unless I take you away. So we're screwed. This is a train wreck of a video, and I love it. Standard Canon EF mount, EFS technically. 35mm lens, 2.8 fixed aperture, which is kind of what I'm going for. It matches my 24mm, which is on this camera right now, and my 50mm is a 1.8. So they're very close in aperture ranges, which is what I really wanted. I'm trying to go straight to fixed lens instead of having zoom lenses. I don't need this. Useless plastic. And I wanna stick to like zoom features, or not zoom lenses, and mostly fixed apertures, because I have more of a film background than I do a photo background, so I don't really need telephotos as much or zooms. This is one of the other major pieces, because like you've got this light on here, right? But it's got like a weird 49 mil or 29 ring for like filters and stuff like this. This does not. This has a normal 49 ring, so that will cover the light if you need it for macro photography, so keep that in mind. But it allows us to, they just kind of wrapped it in a Walmart bag, I think. B&H, you're losing your touch. Or no, is this a B&H bag? I think this is a B&H bag. I don't know. All I know is that there's a filter in here. So we have the UV filter to protect the lens so I don't get it. I just totally broke that plastic. And then that way we can take this 49mm lens filter and put that on the lens instead of the 29mm, which is literally okay. So like this is a standard 49mm. It goes for like the 50mm. It goes for like a bunch of like very standard lenses, and so it's super cheap. Like you can get it from Tiffin for like $5. I think I paid like $7 for this. Where's my bill? I don't know. But then 29mm is super not standard. Like it's got like 2 lenses, this one included, that it could be useful for. It's like $15, $14. So dumb. Like why not pay a third of that? So I did. And it still fits the lens cap, which is super nice, super thoughtful of you, Canon, because they developed like this little spring on the inside so that it does like the normal filter thing, but it also has that small one for the 29. Anyway, I thought it was super smart. That's pretty much the unboxing. I mean, it looks kind of like a cone, kind of like you would put like Buzz Lightyear in it and cross the street. But, I mean, it's a 35mm. It does macro functions, but it also functions as a normal 35 at f2.8. Which is super awesome because like the next Canon 35 is like $500 instead of the $300 I paid for this one, so I saved $200 getting this. I lost, I think, 0.8 in f-stop, which is, or 0.8 in aperture, which is fine for me because I'm not really doing a lot of low light anyway, and if I was, I'd get a tripod and I'd do a lower shutter speed. But it's going to work exactly for what I want it to. It's going to give me a 24, a 35, and a 50 autofocusable, because I had a 35 mil, but it was manual focus. So this has autofocus, which is what I super needed it for. It's super budget, but also like it's Canon glass, so it's got that reputation of being super, super high quality for a budget. And that's the Canon 35 mil unboxing. So f2.8, not the f2 version. So there's that. What we've learned from this video is I am a terrible unboxer. If you liked what you saw, though, go ahead and give the video a like. Subscribe if you want to see more unboxing videos or tech videos or whatever the heck I'm doing on this channel now at this point. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, bye.